Ever wondered how your favorite cheesy snack, Kraft Easy Cheese, makes its way from creamy ingredients to that smooth, delicious spread you enjoy? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're taking you inside the factory to see how this iconic cheese in a can is made. Get ready to discover how a few simple steps turn fresh cheese into the perfect on-the-go snack. And trust me, there's more to this process than just squirting cheese into a can. The journey of Kraft Easy Cheese starts with its star ingredient, cheese. While this might seem obvious, it's important to note that only specific types of cheese are selected for the process. Factories typically use high-quality, fresh cheddar cheese because it offers the perfect combination of flavor and texture. Cheddar has a smooth, robust taste that holds up well through the manufacturing process, ensuring that the final product has a creamy, rich flavor. When the cheese arrives at the factory, the first step is a thorough inspection. This part of the process is crucial for maintaining the product's high standards. The cheese is inspected for quality, consistency, and freshness. During this phase, any cheese that doesn't meet the strict criteria is set aside and not used in production. The goal is to ensure that only the best cheese moves forward to the next step, guaranteeing that each can of Easy Cheese delivers that perfect taste and texture every time. Once the cheese passes inspection, it enters the trimming process. At this stage, any excess or undesirable parts are removed. For example, some blocks of cheese might have hard edges or pieces that don't meet the factory's quality standards. These sections are carefully trimmed away. This trimming is essential because it ensures that the cheese remains uniform throughout, providing the smooth, spreadable texture that Easy Cheese is known for. After trimming, the cheese is ready for the next part of its journey, melting. The melting process is where the magic begins to happen. The cheese is placed into large industrial melting tanks. These tanks are designed to heat the cheese slowly and evenly, preventing it from burning or sticking to the equipment. During this stage, additional ingredients are carefully added. These include milk proteins and emulsifiers, which help give Easy Cheese its characteristic smoothness and spreadability. Without these additives, the cheese would not maintain the creamy consistency that allows it to be dispensed so effortlessly from the can. The cheese mixture is slowly heated and blended until it reaches a specific temperature and texture. This controlled heating process is critical because it ensures that the cheese melts perfectly without separating or becoming too thick. The goal is to create a silky smooth mixture that can be easily packed into the iconic Easy Cheese cans. Throughout this stage, the temperature and consistency are closely monitored by both workers and automated systems to ensure the process goes off without a hitch. Once the cheese is fully melted and blended, it moves on to the homogenization process. This step is crucial for creating the final, consistent product. During homogenization, the cheese mixture is forced through very fine nozzles under high pressure. This process breaks down any remaining lumps or particles in the cheese, resulting in an ultra-smooth texture. It's this step that gives Easy Cheese its signature ability to flow smoothly out of the can while maintaining a stable form once dispensed. After homogenization, the cheese undergoes a cooling process. This step brings the cheese mixture down to a temperature that makes it suitable for canning. Cooling must be done gradually to avoid affecting the texture of the cheese. Rapid cooling could cause the cheese to harden too quickly or separate, which would negatively impact the final product. Once the cheese reaches the optimal temperature, it's ready for the next big step, filling the cans. The canning process is a highly automated system designed for speed and efficiency. Each can of Easy Cheese is filled with a precise amount of the cheese mixture. In fact, the machines at the factory can fill thousands of cans per hour, ensuring that the production keeps up with demand. Once filled, the cans are sealed to preserve freshness. The process involves creating an airtight seal, which helps keep the cheese safe from contaminants and ensures it has a long shelf life. Fun fact: over 10 million cans of Easy Cheese are sold worldwide every year, making it a favorite snack for many. Once the cans are sealed, the next step involves the pressurization process. This step is what allows Easy Cheese to be dispensed so effortlessly from its container. The sealed cans are injected with a harmless gas, typically nitrogen, which creates the necessary pressure inside the can. This pressure is what helps push the cheese out of the can when the nozzle is pressed. It's a clever design that allows for controlled dispensing while keeping the cheese fresh and ready to eat. After pressurization, each can undergoes a thorough quality control check. This is one of the most important steps in the entire process because it ensures that every can functions properly and meets safety standards. Workers and machines alike check the cans for any signs of defects, such as leaks or issues with the nozzle. Cans that don't pass the inspection are removed from the production line to ensure only the best products reach consumers. Once the cans have passed quality control, they move on to the labeling stage. Each can is labeled with the signature Easy Cheese branding, along with important information like the ingredients list and expiration date. This process happens quickly and efficiently, with machines able to label hundreds of cans per minute. The cans are then packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores around the world. At this point, you might be wondering, how does the cheese stay fresh inside the can? The secret lies in the airtight packaging and the pressurization process. By sealing the can and injecting it with nitrogen, the cheese is kept fresh for an extended period of time without the need for refrigeration. This is one of the reasons why Easy Cheese has become such a popular snack option. It's convenient, shelf-stable, and always ready to eat. One of the final steps before the cans leave the factory is a freshness check. This involves testing random samples from each batch to ensure the cheese inside still meets quality standards. If a batch doesn't pass the freshness test, it's discarded to maintain the company's commitment to producing only the best products. This rigorous attention to detail is what has helped Easy Cheese remain a trusted and beloved snack for so many years. And there you have it, the step-by-step process that transforms high-quality cheese into the iconic Easy Cheese that people all over the world love. So, the next time you enjoy a cheesy snack, you'll know just how much work goes into making each can of Easy Cheese. And you can be sure that every bite is the result of careful craftsmanship and attention to detail. Happy snacking!